dumb. I mean, it's not a street sign, it's a highway sign. But does Google think it's a highway sign? I don't know. I don't know. Is the bottom of the slow children at play a fucking street sign? Oh my god! Select the images with roads. This is so dumb. Fuck. Is that a road? It might be a road. I mean, it looks like it could be a fucking road. Shit. Oh, and I gotta confirm my fucking password. Okay, I've made a new account. I go to my inbox, and it says you do not have permissions. Your account has been suspended. Your account may still be waiting activation or moderation. Alright, so let's go to our site. It might be that like the activation email stuff isn't working, and maybe that's why these things are screwed up. Alright, let's see. You don't have permission to access the page. Are you trying to access administrative page or resource? You couldn't check the forum rules that you are allowed to perform this action. You access page directly rather than using appropriate forums or links. So, user panel. Alright, well, let's go ahead and just boot up two of these clients while I'm scratching my head here. Listen server, 2 players. Let's go to a map like arena test map. You have access this page. Alright. Yeah, cap just sucks. God. And even after that, like, the fucking spam bots are better at the captcha than I am. Which is probably because they're actual people. Like, what you're gonna do if you're setting up a spam network is you use like Mechanical Turk or something else, and you have people solve spam filters for you all day, and pay them in peanuts or Dogecoins. All right, so the problem is that people don't have access to stuff. So we want to like go to our groups of like registered users. After registration, all users are placed in this group by default. All right, so registered users. God, look at that moss. That is way too many particles. Holy shit. What the fuck is... Damn. It's like everything plays all at once. What is it pissed about? Oh, it fucking broke. Okay. Handshake packet size bits? What? Can I just open that fucking file again, please? Alright, what is this? We changed the handshake packet size bits and now we're getting completely fucked. Alright, so we're supposed to have this packet size filler, packet size stuff. Yeah, this is where it is. What is it having problems with? Handshake packet getting on bits. Alright, it's saying assertion failed. Handshake packet size bits. So let's try it one more time. So it's in the Send Connect challenge is where we're actually having this problem. This is challenge packet. Generate cookie. Well, this is not what I wanted to have happen. This is why I didn't want to go edit a whole bunch of crap like this. I mean, I think what needs to happen is, like, where is it actually breaking? Is it number? Is this? We wrote the timestamp in there. Oh fuck. Okay, that's a nasty one right there. This should be a double. Okay, so all registered are put in this group. Forms and posts can view board, can view threads, can search forum, can view user profiles. And we'll let them do that. Can post new threads, yes. Can vote, yes. Can edit own post, can delete own post, can delete own threads. Yeah, okay, so can view profiles. No, okay. Registered. These are permissions. Let's see. Forums and posts can view these things, can view user profiles, can download attachments. Okay, we'll just remove user profiles then. Users and permissions can be reported, can access CP. What can access child pornography? I don't think so. Can add a signature. Reputation. Show reputation. Give reputation to users. Warning system can warn. All right, private message can send private. Can use private messaging. All right, so this is the thing is, yeah, can use private messaging, but can't send it. Can track sent. All right, so let's see if private messaging. Okay, so the inbox now shows up for me. So you should be able to do that. Hello, Sinacron. I almost have got the fix in for the 5-day server non-response time bug, which if you're not up on that one, basically our game servers stop responding to new clients after 5 days right now. And I googled a bit and found that this is a known issue where they're using floats and they're using incremental like addition every frame for some of the off challenge stuff. And as a result, of course, you don't use incremental addition with floats. You don't use incremental addition with doubles. You do other things, but regardless, their solution is to just use doubles instead of floats to push off the error. So I had to go edit a whole bunch of core code crap to do that. Now I'm just making sure it works. Pre-login called for player. Come on, player. Join. Alright, so our player joined. Yeah, you can now access your inbox. Congratulations. So that's a thing. Awesome. So we'll go ahead and leave and all that. So cool. I'm going to revert unchanged there on that guy then. And we'll go ahead and check that in. So fixing 5-day server refused to connect bug. Yeah, direct floating point, like incremental changes. Like it's fine if you're doing comparisons of like this time and that time, but when it's based on incremental changes, like it's just noob shit. Okay, so user permissions. Can change username? No. Can use private messaging? Yes, but you can't send private messages. I think that's fine. Miscellaneous. Can view calendar, can post calendar events, can view who's online, can view member list. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay, so we'll go back to user groups. So I want like members. New members with a 5+5 post count. There's nobody in the member list. Moderators. Moderators can be reported. Can send and view. Moderators can view calendar, do all that stuff. Can ban people? Can view board, can search, can post threads, post replies, moderate new posts, moderate new threads, moderate new attachments, moderate posts. Yes, they can do that. Can edit, can delete. Yes. Let's do that. That was moderators, right? How come there are... Okay, it was like moderators. Okay, so there are 3 moderators right now. So let's go take a look at all that. So let's see. You are not a member of moderators. All right, well, let's see if we can make you a member of moderators. The birthday you entered is invalid. What? Yeah, Karakan, I can't make you a moderator because your birthday is wrong. You weren't born in 1917. So I'm going to change that to you were born in the year 2000. Sorry, our mods cannot be over 100 years old. That's built into the fucking thing. Okay, so Karakan, you should now have access to the moderator stuff on the page, on the forums, and I think I've got it set so you're able to, do that. What did you even enter? You entered dates in 1917. Okay, so the thing is we want registered people. I think basically we want to change it so you have to be like turned into a member or something like that. Like, how do we public join? Users can freely join and leave this group. All new join requests need to be moderated first. All right. Users can freely join and leave. Users must be invited? No. Users can set this group as their display group. Users of this group are moderators. No. Yeah, can you see the mod control panel? Alright, so you should be able to do stuff now. Publicly joinable. Yes, users can set this group. Alright, so show this group on the forum team page. This is a banned group. Alright, so supposedly members can now... People can become members. Okay, so how do we become a member? If I go to my membership, like... group membership is a member of nothing. You cannot leave your primary group. So if I go to extras, Members. Member list is just people. Alright, so member. Options. Edit group. This. Wait, it didn't. Okay, freely join and leave this group. All join requests need to be moderated first. Alright, so I think that's gonna show up now, maybe? Alright, so if we go to our profile, group memberships. Alright, so there's now a member group, new member with a +5 post count. You can try to join the group. Hey, I'd like to join. Karakan, if you're willing to take a moment, do you think you'd be able to add me to the member group, the ambientenergy101 that should... I just want to make sure that you can do that as well as I. So let's see, if I go to the mod control panel, moderation queue, don't see anything. You applied to join this group a minute ago. Threads, posts, attachments, don't see anything there. A group leader is required to moderate joins to this group. Okay, so users and permissions. Moderator control panel. Can manage announcements, can ban users. Okay, so I need to go to user groups and go to moderators. One outstanding join request. I do see a join request on members, but I'm not sure how to access it. Can manage announcements, can edit, can ban. Alright, good. Yeah, so moderators should be able to do all that. Yeah, the mod control panel home doesn't have much in it. Moderation queue doesn't have anything in it. If I go to user panel and then like group memberships, like I can't even join the member group as the admin. Join group. You have requestedly sent to become a member. A group leader is required to moderate the joining of this. Alright, so like even the admin account is not a member of the group. The person who can change everything on the server cannot join the group. Alright, let's see. So overview, profile, yeah, additional groups. Yeah, let's add them to moderators and super moderators. Additional groups, primary user group, additional groups. Use control to select multiple. You're an administrator. You are a member, a moderator, and a super moderator. Okay, we'll save that. Okay, so if I go to my mod control panel, I see not much. Moderation queue is nothing. Okay, so this guy is now a group, registered, user title, new member, inbox, body requests, and I guess maybe I have to be a leader of the group? Is that something? Alright, so there's 3 outstanding join requests from members. Miscellaneous, users and permissions. All new join requests need to be moderated. Users must be invited. Users can set this group. Users of this group can access moderator control panel. No. Number of users is only 1. Let's see. Moderate join requests. Approve selected requests. Okay. You cannot leave your primary. I'm gonna leave the group with my account. Okay, so I want to go back to my profile and what group memberships. I want to try to join the group. Okay. So trying to see where the IPP, where is join request list? Members joining a group. I don't see it anywhere. Yeah, that's my question, Karakin. Where the hell are groups? The only place that I see the user groups stuff is if I go to groups and then when I go to the admin control panel, I can see that there's like the member group. This is a custom user group, not a... Okay, so this is a custom user group that I guess I made at some point. Okay, there's group leaders. Okay, add leader, add group leader. All right, Karakin. We'll add you as a group leader. And I'm also going to add Dashkin Forum as a group leader. Okay, so now we should be members of the group. So that means we can actually do something. Okay, group leader notice. You have one pending group membership join request. Awesome. Okay, so that makes a lot more sense. Yeah, that's should be an item in mod CP, shouldn't it? Yeah. It was that you were not a member of the group. Now you can. Yeah. So now what you should see is in the mod control panel there should be a group memberships option, and it'll show all the things that are working for that, which is awesome. Then we can view the members of the group, which are just us three. Okay, so what we want to do is I'll probably leave it alone for now, but basically what we probably should do is set it so that people who are not members, let's see if I can just do that, can only like post one time per day or something, or can't make threads, or can only respond, or let's see. So we have registered. All right. You were able to accept through the user panel, not the mod panel. All right. Well, maybe I don't know. So these guys can view boards, can view threads, can post new threads. Maximum posts per day. This is the total number of posts allowed per user per day. Let's just put it at 3 per day to for regular people. Actually, let's just set it to 2. And for members, let's set them to 0. They can post as much as they want. All right, that's fine. Short description. Full member of the community. You should ask to join. Let's join and become part of the official Brackenwood community. Default user title. Let's just put him as member. Number of stars. Alright, let's just say save. Alright, cool. So that looks like it's working pretty well. So let's add some more moderators real quick. Like, I really don't think Adam's a lot more private than I am about all this stuff. But let's just go ahead and add Lucas. Because that seems fair to me. He does plenty. Let's just make him a mod as well. Actually, it looks like I already made him a moderator. Yeah, I must have set him, but I wasn't able to set you. Alright, minimum posts. Yeah, okay, so this should definitely help with the spam and all that stuff. So okay, I think that was No group item in mod, but member. Alright, you were able to add ambientenergy101 to it. Awesome. You are leader of the members group. Let's see. We've got ambientenergy101, 102, Caracan, and Dashkin forums. You are not a leader of this group, so you cannot view the list. Well, that's fine. Let's take another look at the users and groups then. So, groups. When you're a member, users must be invited in order to do this. Forums and posts, can view things, can post as much as they want, can post attachments, yes. Can change username, no. Show reputation, give reputation, points to take away, can receive warnings. Alright, miscellaneous, can view calendar events, can see who's online, can view member list. Let's see, if I go to the user panel here, and I go to group memberships, and I go to set as display group. Alright, yeah. Well, it's not super amazing, is it? It's just kind of super not amazing. Because I can't see the list of people. Like, can view member list. Alright, like, can be shown in the birthday list, can send threads to friends and email users, can email users even if they appear in it. Yeah, no. Show users of this group on the member list. Alright. Okay, so I guess this is just like the member list of, you know, everyone, but it doesn't show you how many people are like in a specific user group. Right. Alright, well, I think that's good enough. No, not everybody who posts things needs to be a member. People who, it's going to limit people who aren't members. If you are registered, you will be able to, be able to make 2 posts per day. So you won't be able to post very often. So you'll be able to post like 1 or 2 things, and that's it. And that should prevent what we're seeing in the last week, where the spam accounts were posting like 300 times, and kind of making it so it was a pain in the ass to deal with. So we'll see. 2 should be enough, I think. And after that, we can have them asked to join. So why don't we do that? Alright. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. So did I check this crap in? Yeah, I did. Okay, let's kick off a build. And I think I'm going to be done for today here. And so I figure I can go deal with actual other things in my life. Alright, so we got that. It built. Should we run any other tests? Probably not. Anyway, I'm going to be done here for today. So thanks for hanging out, and thank you, Karakan, for helping with some of that forum stuff. You now have way too much power and can ban people and purge spammers. So make sure to abuse that power and make other people feel bad, and because they should feel bad. They're not moderators. They're not special. Get rid of them. Yeah, a good deal of smaller stuff. Like I got a whole bunch of crap done today. Actually, it's great. Fixed a ton of bugs that were actually awful. Like the sound effect bug was a real bad one, and especially getting that 5-day server thing is massive, because I've actually, like, that was almost an issue. Like with Linvalin's stream the other day, like our servers have been up for like 4 days, and I was like, well, shit. We got about 20 hours of good server time before I got to restart these bastards. It's like, well, that sucks. It's alright. Well, thanks for sticking around, and I hope you have a great